NYPD questioning motorcycles illegally ridden on the street. Motorcycles seem to be pretty tough.